So folks, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've been out at a classic car event, and I got a little notification on Facebook to say that this event at a local pub was taking place today. It's not a big show, it's just a few cars, and of course I'm going to show you some of the cars as well. So let's go and have a look and take a look at some of these old motors.